Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks. I'm going to be your tour guide today. I'm currently at Harrahs in Atlantic City. I'm trying to get to the pool at Harrahs before it closes, but I just missed it. It's closed. But here's a look at it. I'm trying to show you what it's like at Harrahs in the summertime. It is currently July 2024. I have spent the day moving rooms and working on my videos. This is my first chance I had to come out here. Now it's time to grab something to eat. I'm starving. I'm here at Harrahs for 3 nights. I had no plans on coming here. This is a really last-minute trip. I started my stay here at the Bayview Tower, and I switched to the Atrium Tower. I'm going to grab something fast at Buddy's Boardwalk Empire. This is a new dining establishment, so I thought it would be cool to check it out. The last 2 evenings, I have dined at the Harrahs Happy Hours, La Strada, and McCormick and Schmick's. I have already tried the regular pizza. Now I'm going to try the margarita one. I'm also going to try an order of their homemade moots with hot peppers. I dined in my room at the Atrium Suites, and I'm trying to figure out what to do tonight. First, let me take you outside and show you Boardwalk. I'm going to try to fit a lot into this 8-minute video, so bear with me. Harrahs is very controversial. Some people love it because it's not on the boardwalk, and other people hate it because it's not on the boardwalk. The boardwalk is down there. It is very beautiful down here. It's a gorgeous view, a lot of fishermen. It's very peaceful. There is this little patch of beach over here. I don't know if anybody uses it or not. I like Harrahs. I think they have some of the nicest rooms in Atlantic City, depending on which tower you stay in. I'm thinking about going to Golden Nugget, but I'm really not sure what it looks like after I go around this curve over here. So I think I'm going to head back and drive over there. The Bay Area is more desolate. When you're on the boardwalk, there's tons of people, tons of tourists. There's police everywhere. I personally feel very safe walking alone here on the boardwalk, especially in the summer. Plus, it's so visually entertaining. There's so much to see and do. We are currently in between Showboat and Hard Rock by the Steel Pier. Lots of families and bubbles. Definitely, in my opinion, the best part of the boardwalk if you want a carnival atmosphere. This is also a great place to get cheap eats, too. You don't have to be captive at fancy restaurants and casinos in Atlantic City. Plenty of food options, steps away from the casino resorts. Just bear in mind, everything is not open year-round. You gotta check out this macaroni and cheese. This guy really fills this thing up. My daughters would love this. One of the things I love most about this area is the beachside live music. It just echoes. It's just beautiful. Hard Rock also has daily live music in the lobby bar.
Angels come down from the heavens just to help us on our way. First they teach us, then they leave us.
I'm hoping this video can help people that are new to Atlantic City see the difference between staying on the boardwalk, particularly by Hard Rock, opposed to staying on the Bayside of Atlantic City. I know a lot of you guys already know all this, and I really appreciate all of you that watch all my videos. Now we're going to go into Hard Rock and see what's going on over there. Hard Rock is, it's in my top 3 favorite places to stay in Atlantic City. I still haven't figured out what my #1 place is, but this is really close. I was hoping to play some video poker, but they were having a convention of some sort in there. There was no band. There was nowhere to sit at the video poker machines. So I think I'm going to go back to Harrahs. I never did make it over to the Golden Nugget because I'm contemplating adding another night of my trip and actually staying there because I've never stayed there before. I really want the whole experience. Golden Nugget is right on the harbor. It used to be the Trump Castle years ago. Me and my husband Kelli actually stayed there back in the 90s when we were first dating. It was one of our first trips together. It would be definitely cool to stay there again and check out one of the remodeled rooms. Now we're back at Harrahs. It's about a 10-minute drive. I'm going to check out the X Bar. I've been hanging out and playing at the Eden Lounge, which feels more like New Orleans. It's bright and airy. This feels a little more dark, a little more neon. It's pretty cool in here. It's located right in the casino. It has live DJs Friday and Saturday nights. Cool place. I'm here because I wanted to check out all the poker lounges at Harrahs, not just the Eden Lounge. But I really want to play the X game, which is more of a multiplier. So after this, we're going to head out to the casino floor. These machines weren't doing too bad though. I was playing on the same $20, probably for about an hour. I finally figured out a comfortable way to play for a long time and not lose a lot of money. There is one other smaller poker bar that is closer to where the parking garage is. Couldn't get in there though. This is the game I really want to play. Some video poker lounges have this game, but I couldn't find it anywhere in Harrah's. So we're going to go to the casino floor to play it. This is a 5-cent minimum bet. We're going to play 5 hands, and I'm going to play max bet. This has been my favorite way to play in a casino, where I could play for a long period of time and not lose a lot of money. I love this game because it has up to a 12 times multiplier. This is the game that my Auntie Glor won $1,600 at Ocean. She received a straight royal flush with a 12-time multiplier, but she was probably gambling more money than I am. Gotta go for the royal flush here. 2s are wild in this game, but if you have a royal flush with a 2, you don't get as much money. I'm staying here because they gave me comp rooms, which means that I have to go gamble in the casino to keep getting comp offers. So if I go down there with $100 and I lose $100 really fast, I'm really screwed, and then I have to put another 100 in and another 100 in. This is a way that I can keep playing on the same money because they keep giving me money. I keep playing with the same money. They're probably not going to give me any comp rooms because I'm giving away all my secrets. But I like to help others have fun too. I could probably bail now and walk away with like an $80 profit, but I put $20 in to start with, so I'm doing pretty good, but I'm just going to keep on going. I would probably gamble riskier if I didn't travel so much, and I don't blame other people for doing it. I just travel a lot, and there's just no way that I could lose, $200-300 a day or more. It's just not, feasible for me. Do you play video poker? What games do you like to play? Let me know in the comments below. I always tend to go for the deuces wild. I have done jacks or better before, and I always gravitate back towards the deuces or wild. It seems to do good for me. Nice. Love when that happens on a multiplier. I think I had enough. I'm going to get out of here while I'm still ahead, and I'm going to go back to my room at the Atrium Suite, and I'm going to go check out the Golden Nugget and the prices there and what rooms they have available. I'm supposed to be going back to Connecticut tomorrow, but nah, I'm not ready. One more night. The Golden Nugget has the standard price, but they also have recently remodeled a few of their floors for an upcharge. I think I'm going to go for one of those. The next morning at 10 o'clock, I went to Buddy's Boardwalk Empire. It opens at 10 a.m., but I did want to try one of their egg sandwiches, and I got to say, it was really good. I'm glad I waited to try this rather than going to Taza because I like these egg sandwiches better. Coming up next will be my full resort tour of the Golden Nugget. If you are still with me, you are a total rock star. If you enjoy this video, can you please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel? I have a lot of information about Atlantic City. This is your host and your tour guide, Jennifer Sparks. Whatever you do, make sure you book that trip and you pack your bags and go. Atlantic City is awesome and you deserve to be here. Make sure you're good to yourself, kind to others, safe travels to you, and good luck in the casinos.